Are you looking for to fix Instagram voice message not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. In the address bar, you need to search for Instagram. Once you're in this page, if you see the option of updating, click on update and update the app. Once updated, move into the settings. Inside settings, you need to head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Head over to Instagram. Tap on offload app. Once again, click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.